Join me as I challenge myself to learn how to order food in German in just one day. I'm Helga, and today I'm putting my pride on the line. Learning a new language can be intimidating, but with the right phrases, you'll be able to navigate everyday situations like a pro.
Helga, you chose the hardest day. It's Schnitzel Friday at the local tavern. The waiters will be fast, the crowds will be loud, and the grammar will be unforgiving.
That's exactly why I'm doing this, Lucas. One of the most essential skills when traveling or living in a German-speaking country is ordering food. Not only will it help you get the actual meal you want, but it'll also show the locals that you're making an effort.
It's true. If you walk in and just speak English, you're a tourist. If you try your German, even if you fail, you're a guest.
I've been there, Lucas. I once tried to order a gift for my friend at a restaurant, not realizing gift in German means poison. The waiter looked horrified. Today, we avoid the poison. Today, we order like natives. Before we hit the big restaurants, we need the basics, the bakery.
Ah, the German bakery. It is the heart of our society. You can't just walk in and say, bread, please. We have over 3,000 types of bread.
3,000? Okay, let's start simple. I need to ask for the menu if I'm sitting down. Kann ich bitte die Speisekarte haben?
Good. But in a bakery, you look at the display. You need to point and say, ich hätte gerne 2 Brötchen. I would like 2 rolls.
Wait, what if I'm in Munich? My cousin said they don't call them Brötchen.
Correct. In the south, they are Semmen. In Berlin, they are Schrippen. In the southwest, they are Weckle.
So if I want to survive, I need to know the regional dialect?
Just stick to Brötchen for now. They'll know you're a learner. But let's look at the grammar. Why did you say 2 Brötchen?
Because I'm hungry.
Fair, but notice the plural doesn't change much. Now try ordering a coffee with that.
Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee mit Milch, bitte.
Perfect. You used the accusative case correctly. Einen Kaffee because the coffee is the object you are receiving.
It's noon. I'm starving. This is where the Imbiss or street food stall comes in. It's faster, cheaper, and the language is much more survival style.
Here, you don't need long sentences. Efficiency is German, Helga.
So instead of, I would like to humbly request a sausage, I just say, einmal Currywurst bitte?
Exactly. Einmal is your best friend. It means one time. It's like saying, give me one of those.
What if I want to know what's good? Was ist das Tagesgericht?
At a stall, they might not have a daily special, but they might have a Mittagsangebot, lunch offer. Look for that word on the chalkboard.
And for my vegan friends, I should say, ich bin Veganer, or haben Sie etwas ohne Fleisch? Do you have something without meat?
Yes, more and more stalls have vegane Bratwurst now. But be prepared for the vendor to ask, mit Senf oder Ketchup? With mustard or ketchup?
Mit Senf bitte. Always go with the mustard in Germany. Lucas, be honest. How much does the der, die, das matter? If I say, ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee instead of einen Kaffee, will they starve me?
No, they will give you the coffee, but if you want to sound like a pro, remember this. Food is usually the object. Der becomes den Apfelsaft. Die stays die Suppe. Das stays das Wasser.
So, ich bestelle den Fisch, but ich bestelle die Pasta.
You've got it. It's like a puzzle. Once the pieces click, you stop thinking and start eating. Guten Abend. Haben Sie eine Reservierung?
Oh, I didn't learn that one. Nein. Haben Sie einen Tisch für 2? No. Do you have a table for 2?
Ja, bitte, folgen Sie mir. Hands for a menu. Hier ist die Speisekarte. Möchten Sie schon etwas trinken?
Ja, ich hätte gerne ein Glas Wasser, bitte. Stilles Wasser.
Gerne. Und zu essen?
Was empfehlen Sie?
Waiter, Der Sauerbraten ist heute ausgezeichnet.
Dann nehme ich den Sauerbraten bitte.
Sehr wohl. Möchten Sie einen Salat dazu?
Ja, bitte.
Guten Appetit.
Danke. Guten Appetit is so important. You'll hear it at every table. It's the signal that it's time to stop talking and start feasting. I'm full. The Sauerbraten was incredible. Now comes the moment of truth. The bill.
In Germany, the waiter doesn't just bring the bill when they see you're finished. That would be considered rude, like they are kicking you out. You have to ask.
Kann ich bitte die Rechnung haben?
Or if you want to be even shorter, zahlen bitte. To pay, please. Zusammen oder getrennt. Together or separately.
This is a big one. Germans love to pay getrennt, separately, even on dates sometimes. But today I'll be generous. Zusammen bitte.
Now the tip. The bill is 42 euros. What do you do?
I don't leave a 10-euro bill on the table. I look the waiter in the eye and say, 45 bitte.
Perfect. You just tipped 3 euros. The waiter will say Dankeschön, and you say Stimmt so. Keep the change.
We did it! 24 hours later, and I feel like a different person. Overcoming common challenges when ordering food in German requires practice and patience.
You did well, Helga. Your pronunciation of ich is getting less like a cat and more like a local.
One of the biggest hurdles is definitely pronunciation. My advice, listen to native speakers and mimic their intonation. Another challenge is the menu. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification. If you see Schweinshaxe and don't know it's a giant pork knuckle, ask.
And remember, repetition is key. Use these phrases as much as possible. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The locals will appreciate your effort to communicate.
These phrases are not only useful for ordering food, but also for showing respect for the culture. By learning these phrases, you'll be able to navigate everyday situations with ease and confidence.
So, what's next for Helga?
Next time, we're maybe tackling the German train system. If you've had any experiences ordering food in German, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable.
Tschüss!
Danke fürs Zuschauen. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.